Yeah, guys, we have another project here in Mountain View. We're doing stucco repairs, we're doing new siding, we're doing paint job. But let me show you guys, these walls, we already finished the resurfacing. You can see that we have a really nice sand finish it's going to be pretty much ready for paint. Let me show you guys here. So right here we're like pretty much halfway. Let me show you. We're working on the demolition right now, and the guys are setting up the vapor barrier, flashing around windows, making sure that it's going to be protected. But yeah, let's go.